Hi, welcome to my e-newsletter. I'm Randolph Adair, and you know I can't believe it. I am starting my 9th year in residential real estate here in Washington, D.C. and in Northern Virginia. And I'm very proud to be affiliated with Coldwell Banker Residential Brokerage for many reasons. The first being we are the quintessential boutique firm here in Washington, D.C. and in Georgetown. Boutique in that we offer the personalization of services, we offer the one-on-one attention and the knowledge of the local market that's required of being the top boutique firm. Also, we're an international company. We are in 51 countries with over 3,100 offices worldwide. We also dominate the internet. We are on 550 websites. And this is very important. Why is this important to be an international company? It's important because Washington, D.C. is an international city. Would you agree? So there are foreign embassies and countries wanting to establish a presence here in this region. There are national corporations, international corporations that want a home base here. So it's very important to be in an international market and have that capability. As for me myself, I brand myself as high integrity real estate. And high integrity as defined in being honest and open with clients, with the sellers and buyers as to what their expectations can be in this market. It also means being transparent in the transaction, and it means being maintaining confidentiality and privacy of your clients' personal matters. You know, when I'm out and about in the city, people ask me, Randolph, how's the real estate market? And I'll tell you how the market is. We need inventory right now. Right now, the inventory is about half of what it was a year to 2 years ago. So that being the case, there are buyers looking to buy, but buyers are savvy. They're savvy as to price points, they're savvy as to amenities and to what they want. So they're not looking for garbage. You can't put garbage on the market and expect it to sell, okay? They're looking for turnkey properties, amenities that's desirable to move into right now. If it is a property that's not turnkey, that needs work, then they expect the price point to be where it would inspire them to make an offer to take on a project, okay? So if you've been contemplating listing your property or selling your property or renting it, give me a call. If you have friends, clients who are also looking to sell or buy, have them give me a call as well. So you can forward this e-newsletter to them. You can click on the left-hand side of the page there. There's a box that says email me. Or you can call me on my mobile at 202-277-7974. That's 202-277-7974. And you can text me, call me. And until I visit with you again on my next video newsletter, peace.